Today we're going to be plotting angles around a point. Now this is building from our learning yesterday where we were finding angles on a straight line, and that key rule from yesterday was that there are 180 degrees on a straight line. Now just a quick recap, so in a quarter of a turn or one right angle there are 90 degrees. In half a turn or two right angles, here where my mouse is you can see there are 180 degrees, and in three quarters of a turn, so three right angles, so 90, 90, 90, there are 270 degrees, and a full turn there are 360 degrees. So we need to bear in mind that all around one point there are 360 degrees. So this question, it says work out angle A. Now we need to find what angle A is. So angle A must add 110, angle A plus 110 degrees must equal 360 degrees. So if we change this around now, and to find out angle A, we're going to subtract 110 from 360 because that is the information that we have already, okay? So we're using the inverse to add. Now, 360 take away 110 is equal to 250. So angle A equals 250 degrees. Now we can check our answer by adding them together, okay? So 250 add 110 equals 360 degrees. Now I know I'm right because the angles add up to 360. Angle A is actually a reflex angle, okay? Because it's larger than 180 degrees but smaller than 360 degrees. Now, work out angle B. This one is a little bit more tricky as we've got three angles. We've already been given three angles and we need to find out the fourth, okay? So, first of all, we know that B, add 155, add 75, add 45 equals 360 degrees. So, what I did first was I added up the angles that we already have, okay? So 155 add 75 add 45 equals 275. Okay, so then I did 360 take away 275. That the answer is going to be angle B, okay? So 360 take away 275 is equal to 85 degrees. So angle B equals 85. Now to check my answer, what I need to do is add them all up together, okay? So 85, add 155, add 75, add 45. Now that equals 360 degrees. Okay, so some questions might not give you any angles at all, okay? So what we're going to have to do is find out what one angle is. So in this question we're going to have to find out what one angle is first for us to find out the angle of C altogether, okay? So firstly, the first thing that we would do here is find out how many angles there are around the point, okay? So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 angles around the point. Now we need to find out what one of them is first to find our answer overall, okay? So what I would do is I would do 360 divided by 8, because there's 8 angles there that are all the same, okay? And that answer is 45 degrees, okay? So the angle of one of these angles is 45 degrees. Now, the angle of C is 3 of these sections, okay? So we would do 3 times 45 degrees, and C would equal 3 times 45, okay? Or we can do it in repeated addition of 45, add 45, add 45. Now angle C equals 135 degrees. Okay, what I would like you to do is go off and have a go at the questions I've set you, okay? Thank you.